Hello everyone, and today we are playing Massacre, and basically, it's school shooter simulator. Basically, I said basically twice, by the way. You're either a hider or shooter. There's sometimes one shooter, but this time it's two shooters. And you have to hide from the shooter, and not get shot up, basically. That's it. Well, I'm gonna be playing this today, and hopefully I do not die. Or maybe I could be the shooter. So my goal is probably I'm gonna be playing in first person, so it's more like scary. But I'm going to try to win 5 games. That's my goal. And if I don't, what's a stupid challenge that I would... Okay, this isn't a 2019 video. I'm just gonna play the game to play it. I don't need to. Yeah, I don't need to do a challenge, so I'm fine. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Shot at me. Oh shoot! I forgot those two shooters. Oh shoot. Get it? Oh shoot, because they're shooting at me? Okay. Frick. I don't want to die. Nope, just die. Just pretend to die. Okay, I'm still alive somehow. Who is this guy? Oh crap. What? Why don't... just hide in here. Yeah, there's guns in here. Take this. Oh shoot. Might be cooked. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Not me. That's not me. That's not me. Oh shoot! Oh god! I got shot up. I'm bleeding out. Oh frick! I'm bleeding out. Oh! I bled out. Okay. Well, while we're waiting, till the round's over, I guess we could practice. Oh frick! Oh I suck. Oh my god! I actually suck. There's also perks. These are dances. There's Band-Aid, where you just recover faster. Healthy, gain 50 more health, I guess. I got this, where you could just crawl faster and glide. I don't know what that means. And Strong Act. I actually think I'm gonna equip that. It's where you could survive 6 bullets while ragdolled. So I'm gonna do... Anyways, I got a Glock. Oh, I got a bandage somehow. And so I'm gonna shoot this guy up. Oh, a Glock is good. I didn't know it's that good. Oh, if you hear any wobbling, it may be edited out. I tried to, I tried to make it less loud last time. It turns out that, my desk was, like, shaking while I was pressing the keys or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait until this is over. Oh, god dang it. Okay, well, new round's gonna start in a few seconds. Oh, Blackout. Blackout's super fun. Well, it's a blackout. That's basically it. But, it's fun because, like, you're crawling around in the dark, or at least I crawl a lot, and you have a flashlight. I saw my friend die once, and I was right around the corner, and I somehow survived. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I died again. Oh, we're starting. And guess what? Never mind, it didn't work. Okay. I was supposed to bring a smoke grenade, or whatever it's called. It didn't work, though, so... I'm just gonna go without it. Oh, bandage. Yeah, you could find these like little tiny things around the map. I'm gonna be evil now and turn off the lights. I'm gonna speed it up so you don't have to watch this. Okay, never mind. This idiot walked in front of me, so just gonna go without it. But there's also tasks like participate in a meeting, and I get $100. So I'm gonna do it. Also, I made a post of what video I should make next. That's why I was checking my phone. No one responded, which was kind of awkward. So yeah. Oh, people are hiding in chairs. Oh, okay. Oh no. Oh shoot. Turn it off. Oh. I can't have my flashlight on. If he sees a speck of light, he's gonna come over here. Oh shit. He's in here. Frick. I'm stuck in this. I don't know where I am. I want to leave. Please. Oh, bro, I didn't even get a second to react. Bro, no. Now you get to watch me gamble. Is that good? Wait, did I? Oh wait, I have to go on my inventory. Gymnast, sleep higher, and I don't care. Oh my god, I should have act dead. Yeah. Oh, I can't even purchase it anymore. I'm sad in humanity. I'm gonna play this though. No, because the music's playing. Might get copyrighted from that. I have no idea. Oh, Uzi, first try. Yeah, this gun's really good. I think there's a. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. He's able to kill that guy. Oh frick. Yeah, I'm sucking at this. Usually I'm like okay-ish at the game, but I guess not. Oh frick. Okay. Overwatch. There's blood in this. Anyways, it was like 2 hours. I didn't. Can I get up, please? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna bleed out. I'm bleeding out. Man, I'm dead. Anyways, I made a video that long, and I know for a fact no one would watch it because I didn't promote it or anything. So I just knew. I'm getting shot up already. I have a Desert Eagle. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh, I need to stop this. Move! What is wrong with people? As soon as I step out, they're gonna... Desert Eagle! Oh, I one-shot. Yeah, you're the one that killed me! I'm gonna die again! Yeah, there we go! That's what you get. You try to kill me? You missed the wrong person. Drink this. I guarantee this makes... Oh, wait, it actually probably makes you faster. Never mind. Oh, frick! Okay, well, that was partially my fault. You know what? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna sit on the couch. Oh, double trouble. Can I fall over? How do I? Oh, there we go. That's oh, that did not land on the couch. No. There you go. I fell onto the table with the bear trap on it. Fall this way. I'm on the ground again. And now I'm disabled. Oh, there we go. And yeah, I can't get on the couch. Hopefully I'm actually Seeker soon. I have a 9% chance at it happening, which isn't okay-ish. The vents would probably, actually it's probably not it's double trouble. Which means anyone could be it. Probably this guy could be it. Oh, I have to look at chairs to get money. Last time I tried to do this, a shooter interrupted me, so I get some money actually. Blue hair watcher. Okay, whatever. Oh, I have a 10%. Oh, bandage. I have a 10% chance now. Oh yeah, 10%. I have 17 entries. Please, let me be it. I have to look around now. Got some assuming smart fridges. I don't really know. Rest on couch. I'm trying to do that. Oh shoot! I didn't know. Shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Okay, I'm stuck. There we go. Who is the shooter? Oh shoot! Okay, I'm fine, I think. Probably, I don't know, I'm not, okay. Okay. Oh shoot! I also, frick! I'm stuck. Oh shoot! I have bandages. If I get shot, I could probably heal. Oh shoot! Everyone's getting shot up. I think this is double. Yeah, this is double trouble. Of course. Oh, where? I fell. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! Oh! There's a stairway right here. You could easily come up here. Hey, help me! Oh shoot! There's one nice shooter, I think. I don't fully know. Oh! Run. Oh my god. I think she's still alive. Oof. Oh! He's somewhere. He's somewhere near. Go back up here. Go back up here. What's over here? Oh, I can keep going. I didn't know that. Vents are not safe. I could tell. This entire place is not safe. Should I drop down? Oh! Ew! Ow! Ow! Come here. Oh shoot. Did I win? No. I think I almost killed him. There's no music now. Of course, I was so close. Whoa, what is he doing? Well, that was the end of the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.